A world where an automated robot now answers a message, and when you receive a call it is made by a robot until a human being can answer it, is today's world. Let's address a very fashionable topic for everyone. Let's be cautious to see if we are prepared for this radical change in our lives and know how to face it. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that has seen significant growth in recent years and is expected to continue expanding in the future. It refers to computational systems that can emulate human thinking and perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. There are several branches within AI, machine learning, ML, being one of the most common. ML develops techniques for algorithms to learn and improve over time through processing and analyzing large amounts of data. A more specific form of ML is deep learning, DL, which relies on artificial neural networks to perform nonlinear reasoning and deep learning tasks. AI offers numerous advantages for companies, including 1. Process automation, allows robots to perform repetitive and routine tasks automatically. 2. Enhancement of creative tasks, frees people from repetitive tasks to dedicate more time to creative functions. 3. Accuracy, it can offer greater accuracy than humans in some tasks, such as data analysis and defect detection. 4. Reduction of human error, minimizes failures caused by human limitations and increases the reliability of operations. 5. Improved decision-making, provides more structured information for faster and more efficient decision-making. 6. Process control and optimization, allows more efficient management of production lines and business processes. 7. Increased productivity and quality, improves both the productivity of machinery and the quality of human work. It is true that artificial intelligence, AI, carries certain disadvantages, risks and barriers that must be addressed carefully. Some of the main concerns are 1. Job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there are fears that certain jobs will be automated, which could lead to job loss for some people. This could create tensions in society and require a restructuring of the workforce. 2. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can be influenced by biases present in the training data, which could lead to discriminatory decisions. If historical data contains cultural or social biases, AI could perpetuate those inequalities in its decisions. 3. Privacy and security. Mass collection of data to feed AI systems can raise privacy and security concerns. If this data is not handled properly, it could fall into the wrong hands and be used for malicious purposes. 4. Lack of transparency and understanding. AI algorithms can be complex and difficult for people to understand, making it difficult to understand how they reach their conclusions. This can raise ethical and liability issues, especially in critical applications such as medical diagnosis. 5. Risks of superintelligence. Some experts fear that if superintelligent AI is developed, it could surpass human intelligence and act in unpredictable or even hostile ways toward humanity. 6. Over-reliance on AI. As AI becomes integrated into various industries and processes, there is a risk that people become too confident in its operation and decision-making, which could lead to costly or even dangerous mistakes. 7. Costs and accessibility. Implementing and developing AI systems can be expensive, which could limit their access to smaller companies or countries with limited resources. It is important to address these challenges responsibly and ethically to ensure that AI is used for the benefit of society at large. Adequate regulation, transparency in algorithms, training and awareness about the risks and benefits of AI are fundamental aspects for the responsible use of this technology. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that is transforming the way businesses operate and make decisions. Its implementation requires a clear strategy, access to quality data and the availability of trained professionals. Those companies that adopt AI in their processes will be able to obtain significant competitive advantages in today's business environment. Today, we gave you a new illustration in our way of the importance of this topic. We hope you liked our video. Help us with a like to grow in our project and be sure to subscribe. Leave me in the comments and tell me, what do you think about this topic? Are you ready for artificial intelligence? We will be happy to read it and give you an answer. Thank you very much in advance for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.